What should I record? What should I record? Oh, look how sunny that is. Look, it's Natalia.
Hi. Today we...
No, it's just Natalia. It's just Natalia.
Yes.
Where's that music? Oh my God! It's a ghetto ninja princess that's graduating! What is it doing? What is it doing?
Oh my God! What's up?
This is really a ghetto ninja.
What's up?
What is he doing? He broke his badge. Woo! Feathers.
Ew.
Now it's just a ghetto ninja graduating.
I put it on. I'm gonna be a princess today.
Ew. Student old dance. Oh God! What is it doing? It's trying to do the Running Man. We can't let it see its identity. It has an N on its hat for ninja. What are you doing? Oh snap! Psycho ninja. It's going for a snack. Nope. Oh my God! It brought out the broom. It's a sword.
Stop it! Stop it!
It's a ghetto ninja. That's one weird ninja. It's putting back the broom. Natalia, move. It's going for a snack. Went for the... Oh my God, a Frosty.
Get my fucking boa home. Get my boa home.
It's like, oh snap, the music changed. It's like it's pumping now. It's changing the music. Don't like the music. Whoa. What is the ninja doing? It's getting mad. Whoa, it's fist pumping. This ninja's smart. It's got some moves too. Look at the pose.
Lift the weight.
Pull the cord. Pull the cord. Pull the cord. You have to see this part, Maria. Pull the cord. Pull the cord. Her identity is lost. We see the identity of the ninja. Never mind. Let me see your hat.
She is going back.
It has an N on it for ninja.
I'll put the pussy on your sideburns. Right.
Get it, get it. Get it, get it. Cut this, motherfucker.